If you're new here and you're wondering, who is this beautiful girl? My name is Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, I appreciate you so much. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for taking your time to click on this video. I began the video with setting up the humidifier. It might seem like basic knowledge, but I won't lie, guys. The first time I bought this thing, it gave me a headache. So guys, as I was telling you at the beginning of the video, I was showing you how to set up the humidifier. Let me switch it off first. The first time after I bought this thing, it gave me a headache because by the way, I'm using this neckbuds as my microphone. That's why I'm always having them. I don't know where they're coming. So the headache was, I came to notice that the problem was the wick. The first time we are using it, the wick might be too dry and it takes some time to absorb the water so that it becomes wet. Otherwise, if it's not wet, it's not going to emit the fumes. So I would advise you to first of all soak it in water. It's cold water for some time before you connect it. If you're using it for the first time, but for the consecutive times, still just be easy. And then you can buy some essential oils. Personally, I wanted something which is like a breeze, something just fresh, not too musky or something. So that's why I went for this. And then I also like found someone on the street, a hawker, selling this one. So I went for this one because it smells fresh. It's quite fresh. It's not musky. And then I normally mix them because I noticed this one is too strong. It chokes me most of the time. So I use a bit of that and a bit of this, and yeah, it's a good one. Okay, the next items I'll be unboxing. First of all, my sunglasses, guys. I'm so in love with these Marc Jacobs. I don't know if it's clear. It's Marc Jacobs. I got it. I sell them on my TG shop. Though currently I don't have any other Marc Jacobs, but there are other, so many, like there are Ray-Bans, there are Aviators, there are Louis Vuittons, so many, a variety of designers. They go for 3,000. And guys, it's like, it needs a lot of discipline to not take everything that I sell. So I normally give myself a target. If like I sell 20 of them, I get myself one. So yeah, those are the sunglasses. And another thing I like about these sunglasses, see kama zile za Dubois. It's not like I'm saying Dubois sunglasses are bad, because I also have some from Dubois, but there's a difference. Okay, yeah, it's Marc Jacobs, you can see there's a difference. These ones are quite steady and they don't stretch. They're still like as good as they were when I bought them, and I use them most of the time because they're kind of, yeah, they are very comfortable and they look good. So yeah, so the next item I'll be showing you is this I think mugs or glasses. I got them some time back at Kamukunji. Yeah, I think either 500 or 600. This is the only one that I've been using. I'm always alone. And then they are in a variety of colors, as you can see. So green, blue. When I was buying, I was wishing I would have gotten all of them in gold. I wanted a gold, something. But anyway, they're all good, and I like them. They're nice, like they're tea mugs, and you can put hot tea and they'll not break or other crap. So that's it for the mugs. The other items I bought is I'm trying to revamp my bedroom. I want to redo my bedroom, so I want to paint the bedroom. I want to paint also the bed. I want the bed to be painted, and the wall. And I also got some curtains. I got some curtains and some curtain holders. So here I have, okay, these are someone's shoes. I do sell shoes too. Actually, I don't sell everything on YouTube. Let me show you the clothes. This is because you are going to church. I'll be the client who got them, who go to the same church. We go to sit and travel. Like for my clients who are my neighbors, I know, like we go to church together. I always deliver them for them the items when I try to avoid the delivery cost for them. So yeah, she got these boots and I'll be giving them to her when we go to church. Actually, we are getting ready to church. I don't think we are getting late. But this is a curtain holder. I think you'll get the drift when I use it. It looks like this. It's also on my JJ shop. And I think I linked them when I got the curtains. These curtains, oh my god, they cost me too much. And they're just for one window. Only that I think the fabric was expensive. I tried to do a total and I spent like $46.50. I paid $46.50 for the curtain and the sheer. I also got a sheer which is the same color, okay, which is gray. I didn't want to go for white, so I have two, and they are like 75% gathers. They are not 50%, so I can open either side. Oh yeah, still obviously I bought these spices. I didn't forget about them. This is black pepper and this is zobo. Mama, I don't know how people call them. Yeah, but this is for making juice. This is, I'll grind them. I have a grinder, so yeah. So guys, we are rushing to go to church. I don't want us to get late. As for the curtains, I think you'll see them when I'm putting them on the window. Right now they might not be as usual vizuri kama ikiweka dirisha. So that's it for today guys. We are getting ready to go to church. And I'll show you my outfit when we get to church. So thank you.
By the looks, and we are led by how well they smell, and some of you don't realize that sometimes the enemy, the devil, smells good, looks good, talks good. They know their language, they know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. It's until they get you into their house that you discover you married that devil. Oh, how I wish you had taken a little bit much more time on your knees and say, Lord, give me somebody. I don't care how they look like, they may not have money now, but I know you will bless them. If they know how to call on your name, you will bless them. You know something about it? By the time we got married, we look like the wilderness itself. I normally say that if I was my